New 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on 5 air conditioner mini farm, fenced, sunny, 2 streams, fruit-bearing pear and black walnut trees, 2 or more extra home sites. Turnkey Revolution 76 ebuilt home, master bath has oversized tub and large tile shower, clothing closet. Home is extra energy efficient with solar connection built in. Laundry room West/D connections, Samsung kitchen appliances, Rheem water heater, recessed lights throughout. Electric outlets and water spigots on exterior, all 4 corners of home. Wired and braced for ceiling fan/lights throughout. Danese is a blank slate for vacation attractions, services and businesses of all kinds. This property is ideally located for any use. Great location.